10 steps you should follow if you want to relocate to Dubai. Number 1, review all your assets and liabilities and make a statement. You need to know your financial standing. Number 2, calculate disposable income and make a cost of living comparison. Compare your take-home income in the UK versus what you'd keep in the UAE. And it's not just about tax. Factor in things like school fees, health insurance, rent or mortgage, and lifestyle. And just quickly think about your principal residence, because if you rent that out, the annual cost will include agents' fees for lettings and management. There's going to be some maintenance. There's probably going to be a void period, and you'll have to pay tax on the rental profit, which is affected by the interest rate rules because you can't offset interest anymore, which will really mess things up. So it could be better to sell and then reinvest the capital elsewhere, like in Dubai, where they'll give you a 10-year golden visa and the rental income is tax-free. Number 3, you should drill into those numbers, especially the living expenses, and not just school fees, but all the extra things for the kids, or the utility bills, especially electricity in the summer to power the air conditioning, and holidays. Include all the various types of insurance, and not just medical cover, but car, contents, life insurance, travel insurance, and include a healthy contingency for everything, because you're bound to underestimate it. Number 4, if it's not already clear to you, map out your career path, and the older you are, the more brutally honest you have to be about your prospects and your income plan. Is it robust and is it realistic? Number 5, work out the cost of relocating, shipping, insurance, and flights. Number 6, and this is really important, make sure you are able to arrange good health insurance. Find a decent comprehensive policy before leaving the UK and make sure it offers continuity, because a lot of policies in the UAE are 12 months, and if you're terminally ill at the end of the 12-month period, they will just say goodbye. Number 7, if necessary, make a list of your preferred schools and speak to the admissions department to get on their waiting list early, because the good ones are popular. 8, think about timing your move. Weigh up moving now versus finishing the UK tax year, which isn't always necessary because you can split it, but it's best to speak to an accountant to get an opinion. Think about when to move the kids out of school. My kids moved in the October half-term holiday, and it was a good time of year for us to acclimatize. 9, work out your visa strategy. Will you buy a home or an investment property and secure a visa that way? Or will you form a free zone consultancy company and basically give yourself a visa? 10, make a really good plan for the summer. In July and August, it's too hot to be out during the day, but I use a park next to where I live every evening, which is fine. Other people, they disappear to the south of France or Italy or the Alps or Ibiza or Mykonos, America, anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere. And this is the best thing about living in Dubai. You're either here being really productive or you're traveling and having the time of your life. So just create a set of folders to save everything and follow those steps. And I'll see you when you get here.